Hi there, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mr. Delicious, and today is all about Eggs Benedict. We're gonna do 3 wonderful flavors, spinach Florentine Benny. We're gonna do a California avocado tomato Benny, and we're also gonna do a traditional Canadian back bacon Benny.
Beautiful California, eggs Florentine, and we're gonna have to cut up some delicious back bacon. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna slice and dice it nice and thin, 1/4 inches or less. And we're gonna put that on a piece of parchment, put it on a pan, and we're gonna toss it in the oven for on 350 for roughly 25 minutes. We got our fresh avocado, Roma tomato, some nice jalapeno there. Nice spinach and feta.
So we're gonna get our English muffins here. So I'm using this fork to separate the English muffins. It's just beautiful. So our English muffins are ready to toast, and our main is ready to go on. We're gonna start cooking our female bacon. It's gonna take a few minutes, so we'll start with that. Our spinach, we actually are gonna fry the spinach a little bit. However, it's not gonna take very long, so we're gonna do that midway through. And we're gonna build our California Benny, and it doesn't need anything, it just needs putting it together. And one of our other important things we're gonna poach the eggs. The hollandaise sauce, we're gonna try and start that midway through, but it is gonna take a lot of babysitting, so we're gonna have to pick a good time to start because it's gonna need a lot of love for that hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce is easy to make, but if you haven't made it before, why don't you check out our other video down in the description on how to make hollandaise sauce. It's super easy and it's a fun video. So we're gonna take our tomato and we're gonna lay that on, and we're gonna take a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna sprinkle that on. Then we're gonna get right to laying our avocado slices on. Fresh avocado, beautiful tender avocado is the right stuff you want to use, and just kind of plan ahead and get your avocados in advance so they're perfect by the day that you want to make your bennies.
I'm currently poaching eggs right now because just do 2 at a time, and it takes roughly 9 minutes to have all the eggs poached. So we're starting to do that at the same time as getting the Benny ready. We're gonna get our spinach. We're gonna put that in the pan. Nice big pieces of spinach. And this is a beautiful look at that beautiful back bacon. So we're gonna put one back bacon strip on each Benny. Easy to cook and beautiful. Wow, this is some beautiful silky sauce right here. It's so delicious. So there you have it, the beautiful eggs Benny. Let's check the Florentine. Let's see how that turned out. Beautiful, light and flavorful sauce. We're gonna go ahead and cut the California open. Just absolutely fabulous. We're gonna go ahead and try that. Beautiful. Perfectly cooked poached egg. Incredible. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe right down there because we have so many more absolutely fantastic videos coming your way. We're constantly working on having better quality videos and better, even more delicious recipes. Get all the latest Mr. and Mrs. Delicious action. Just subscribe right down there. And check out our Instagram page, Mr.Mrs._delicious, for some fabulous HD photos of all the delicious food we make. Until next time, this is Mr. Delicious signing out.